How to write a text in a circle in MS Word. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open MS Word in your laptop or PC. Now open a blank document. Here, if you want to write a text in a circle, you first want to click on the insert option, and from here, click on WordArt. Now over here, you can select whichever design you want. Once you have selected your design, a box is going to appear where you can enter your text. Go ahead and type in your text. Once you do that, on the option of shape format, you want to click on this drop-down menu, and from all of these options, select the option of transform. Now you want to select the option of circle. Once you click on this option, your text is going to appear something like this. Now you want to drag the corners and adjust it until a perfect circle has been created. As you can see, your text is now in a circle, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.